Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about web drivers and how we can download the web drivers for different browsers. This is an official website. You can go here, seleniumhq.org, and inside downloads you will see this link and you will get here the Internet Explorer driver server. So if you are using a 32-bit operating system, you can click here, otherwise you can download 64. So I have downloaded inside this folder. So this is Selenium driver and you can see IE driver win32 underscore 3.4.0 zip file, and if I will unzip it, so you will get some exe here. After that, just come down and you will see here third-party drivers, binding and plugins. If you will click here, then you will go to this link. This will redirect you, and from here you can download for Windows, Linux, Mac OS. I'm using Windows 32, so I'm downloaded this one. And same thing, you can see here, this is a zip file I got here for Mozilla. This is GEC code driver for Mozilla. We will work with Chrome also. I will download Chrome as well. So here you can see Google Chrome driver. You can download from here. So if you will click 2.29 and you will redirect to this point, from here you can download for any operating system. I have downloaded this one, windows32.zip, and here you can see in my folder also I have created. So I have unzipped all three. You need to copy these three drivers inside Python 27 folder. So if I will paste here, then we can work directly now. So if you are using in another folder, let's say I want to use from this, so you have to set the environment variables using this folder inside path, as I told you in last video. So these are the drivers you have to download first, then we can work directly to the browsers. So here we will work with three browsers: Mozilla, Internet Explorer and Google Chrome. So the next point is prepare Eclipse with PyDem module. So here we will work with Eclipse because Eclipse IDE is the best IDE in the market and all industries using. So we will work with Eclipse and we will create the test cases in Eclipse. Thanks for watching.